Most people believe data loss only happens to other people. They think, my computer is fine, nothing will happen. But the truth is, files can disappear for many reasons: system crashes, viruses, accidental deletion, power failures, or broken hard drives. And here's the scary part. Most people realize they don't have a backup only after it's too late. Imagine opening your laptop one day and seeing this message: drive not detected. No photos, no documents, no work files, no memories. Everything gone. Now let me ask you something important. If that happened today, could you recover your files? If your answer is, I'm not sure, then this video is for you. Because protecting your files is actually much easier than most people think. Here's the good news. Your computer already has a simple, built-in way to protect your files. No complicated software, no technical skills, and it takes less than 1 minute to set up. Let me show you how. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Next, think about which folders are most important to you. Documents, photos, videos, work files, maybe your desktop. These are the folders you cannot afford to lose. If you're using Windows, check if you already have OneDrive installed. Most Windows computers do. Open OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then, simply place your important folders inside the OneDrive folder. Or right-click a folder and choose to sync it with OneDrive. Once it's synced, every change you make is automatically saved online. If you're using Google Drive, the process is just as simple. Install Google Drive for desktop, sign in, and drag your important folders into the synced drive folder. That's it. From that moment on, your files are safely stored in the cloud. So if your laptop crashes, if your hard drive fails, or if you accidentally delete something, you can restore everything from another device. No panic, no expensive data recovery, no lost memories. But let's make it even safer with one simple habit. Create one main folder called something like My Important Files or Backup Folder. Put all your critical documents, photos, and projects inside this folder. Then make sure this one folder is always synced to the cloud. Why is this powerful? Because you always know where your important files are, and you know they're being backed up automatically, every day. No guessing, no forgetting. Now some people say, but I don't have many files, or my computer is new. But data loss doesn't care how new your computer is. Even brand new laptops can fail, and mistakes can happen to anyone. One wrong click, one virus, one power problem, and suddenly, everything is gone. That's why backup is not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Think of it like insurance for your digital life. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you'll be extremely glad it's there. And the best part? Cloud backup runs quietly in the background. You don't have to remember to copy files. You don't have to do anything extra. Just save your files as usual, and they're protected. So let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Identify your most important folders. Step 2. Enable Cloud Sync with OneDrive or Google Drive. Step 3. Keep critical files in one main synced folder. No complex setup. No extra apps. Just one simple system that protects your data every day. Losing files is painful. Sometimes it means losing months or years of work. Sometimes it means losing memories that can never be replaced. But preventing it is easy. Take 1 minute today to set up your backup. Your future self will definitely thank you. And if you want more simple tech tips that actually protect your data and save your time, check out the next videos on this channel. Because smart technology should make your life easier, not more stressful.